I'm Suzanne from Texas, and I am here with my scooter. It has got me all over Florence, Italy, and I've had a blast with it. I got this scooter at Florence, and they are a wonderful company. Not only did they rent me this scooter that has made it just so easy to see the entire city, but they also have taken me on tours. So I had so much fun. Livia is my tour guide, and I was a little bit hesitant about being here alone and not knowing how to get around the city. Scared I might get lost, scared I didn't know the doors to go in and where I could go, but not with her around. She got me at the hotel, she took me around, she showed me the way the city was set up, she showed me how to find my way back home, she showed me landmarks and just beautiful things to see. She also showed me how to get inside the cathedrals and how to get inside the different museums and stuff that I wanted to see. And sometimes there's a way that we can get in as disabled people that other people don't, which can be an advantage. And she showed me that too. And they have so many tours to offer, so be sure and check them out. Florence, they're a great company.